I can't believe it. Okay, cool. So I'm actually at the bend. Whoa. Day out at the bend today, guys. Look what we got behind us.
Please make your way to the formation area now. That's the red wristband sprint drivers to the formation area now.
For people to cruise on the track all together, so it's like groups of 10, and then you can get a passenger pass as well to ride with your friend that's driving. Unfortunately, I haven't got anyone today. I was also really late to the party solely because I have a busy life. Okay, I have a life outside of these, but it's so cool. You see all the pits. I'm so excited. Oh. Guys, I'm at the rooftop. Look how cool it is. It's so pretty. Oh my God. Could you imagine if this was my backyard? I honestly would love. And it went off. Yeah, ain't no way I was gonna catch up to any of these ones. Bruh. That's so cool. Yeah, it'd be pretty bad. I'd probably go for a walk on the track and I'd do the whole track. It'd be pretty cool. Like we went fucking psycho and try to run to the front because everyone's doing a cruise now. So everyone can hop on the track. Oh, I wish I was hopping on the track though. That would have been so much fun. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go hang out at the front over here. Should be allowed to, right? event's over, guys. Unfortunately, there was no food. I wish I could have done some food content or food videos, but that's it. Peace out from Cars and Culture. Might have to move to Brizzy. Did make some Brizzy friends, so we'll see.